How can I remap Windows and Alt keys in OS X? I sometimes hook up my MacBook to a Windows keyboard. The annoying thing is that on Windows keyboards the modifier keys at the lower left are laid out as, while Apple keyboards use the Windows key functions as the Apple key. The problem is that they are located at a different location, and my muscle memory is so set on finding the Command key next to the spacebar that I keep executing my shortcuts with Alt ISO Apple key, and vice versa. Short of buying an Apple keyboard, does anyone know a way to remap both keys in OS X?
Up the 29th of April 24. Apparently the Fruit company has been screwing around with the whole preferences interface for some number of system versions, most of which I'd skipped over. On macOS Sonoma, version 14.4.1. Open System Settings, which looks nothing like the former system preferences and not much like any previous way of doing such things. Search for Modifier and click on Customize Modifier Keys, because this item is not listed in the left sidebar. Select a keyboard, if you have more than one. The modifier keys mapping works like it used to, now that you've found it. My previous answer, below, is correct for macOS Monterey, 12.x, and earlier versions. In System Preferences keyboard modifier keys you can swap these two, and any other, modifier keys.
Under the Keyboard System Preferences pane, there is a button for Modifier Keys, which allows you to remap Command/Option/Control on a per-keyboard basis. There is no need to use an external tool to switch the keys. I'm using OS X El Capitan and Microsoft Sculpt keyboard.
This question still pops up when searching today. Steps seem to have changed slightly in newer versions of macOS. Make sure you have selected the right keyboard from the drop-down on top. From there, you can manually swap Option key to be Command and Command key to be Option.
Just play. Doesn't matter if you're